Okay, very good evening and welcoming you back to the session. I presume you can hear me. Can one of you confirm if you can hear me? Salman, Nihal, Fatim, Aslam, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, of course.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. Kindly do one thing. First thing I wanted to tell you, the marks which you guys have got, which I've uploaded on the canvas is miserable. Except one student, I don't know who is that, who's got I think 51% in total. Rest all the marks are really miserable. So kindly you can pull up. We will have many more tests. Most likely one more we will have on this Sunday, which will be an MCQ based for maybe 20 marks, 20 or 25 marks. I'll upload it. You can keep having a look at the canvas for updates on the canvas. So right now what I do, I share my screen and we will continue the third session. The last time we did two sessions in MongoDB. This time we do the third and the fourth session. So since you can see the screen, what I have done, I have started the MongoDB server as well as the MongoDB client. Is there anybody who is doing it along with me, or you're just watching it? Confirm it, please. Tell me, because most of you are on your mobile. I don't know how will you do it. Okay. See, last time what we saw the query statement, how to execute the query statement. That is the last session. Now we will see on how do we use the update statement or do updation of documents in a collection. I have just some time back created two collections, one by the name of person, one by the name of student. The student is a capped collection. If you want few seconds, you can tell me, I can wait for you. You please you can create these two collections which as you see on the screen, and I'll request you please keep interacting, otherwise I really won't know whether you're there or you got disconnected. Okay, so kindly keep interacting for the purpose that I really know you people are here. Now, to do the concept or of updation, let me say I want to update three names. Say John, Jack, and John, Jack, and one more person by the name of James. With the ID of these three of them being 1001, 1002, 1003. And let me say John has secured in English, say 35 marks, in maths 38 marks. His result is pass. In the similar way, Jack has scored in English 15 marks and maths 18 marks. His result is fail. And the third person, James, has scored in English 25 marks and in maths 28 marks. His result is pass. If I want to update these document in a collection, how would I do it? Since already I have got a student which collection which I've created here, I'll say db dot student dot insert many, where I will insert many collections in this square bracket, then a curly bracket, then one underscore. I would say ID, which is 1001, and then I would say my name. Name is the first. Sorry, the first name I have is John, and his marks secured by John are this curly bracket. I'll say English, he has got 35 marks. And let me say maths, he has got 38 marks. So now I close my curly braces. Then I say what is his result. I'll say his result is pass. And my suggestion to all of you, please do it yourself. Leave alone doing it later. So if you can do it right, it is wonderful. Can somebody confirm if anybody is doing it right now? Fatima, are you doing it, Salman? Tell me. Tell me. Why silence? Abdul Mujahid, all of you are on mobile. Today 100% strength is on mobile. Except Saida. Saida, are you doing it along with me? Can you confirm, Saida? Again, once again, you're silent. I really won't know if you're there. Saida, can you hear me? Okay. When I add my second person, I say underscore ID Let me say this person's ID is 1002. I say this person's name is, let me say, Jack. And in the similar way, I'll say the marks secured by this person, say, let me say in English, he has got, say, 15. And in maths, this person has got 18. After this, close my curly braces, and outside the braces, I put result. Result is, let me say, this person is fail. And after this, again close my curly braces. Now two names I have done. One more last name let me enter. Let me say somebody by the name of James or Joshi or something of that kind. So I say, next I enter as maybe for the person underscore ID 1001 1002 is over. So the next one, let me enter 1003. And for 1003, let me say the name is James, John, Jack, and James. Okay, and the marks secured by this person is, in my curly brace, I'll say English. Let me say the person has got 22. In maths, let me say the person has got 25. And these are the two marks. Close my curly brace, comma. I say the result. Result I'll say is pass. Close and close my curly braces. Now I need to close my square brace, close my regular brace. Once I hit enter, it's, there is some error in this. So I go back. This says, where is the error? Got comma instead of colon. Okay, let me see. Name, ID, name John, marks this thing. Okay, result pass. ID 1002, name Jack, marks English maths, result fail. ID 1003, name James, marks English maths, result pass. So where is the error in this? It says there is some error. Where is the error? It's syntax expected property got comma instead of semicolon. Sorry, instead of colon. So where is that? I put a comma instead of colon. Let me go back. ID 1001, name John, marks English 35, maths 38. Result
After Jack.
after James, after Jack. Oh, two times comma. Sorry, this is a mistake. So now it's fine. Oh no, where is it? I delete, no, I am not. I'll have to go back all the way till there. Yeah. So, so this was one mistake. Then anything else? Result pass. Okay. Okay. I need to close this bracket, one regular bracket. Yeah, perfect. Here it has done bulk right. That is, it has entered all these things. Done. It has done, or is it done? Yeah, it has done. Okay, fine. It has done this. It'll now what it does, all 300 or 500, how many ever you enter in one shot, it enters everything. This is the syntax of entering it. I'll suggest you can also do this yourself. Now, in this data set, let me presume I want to update the first document where I'll say the name is, what is my name in this first document? Okay, this says result fail. What is it? Is there some other error? One second. db.student insert dot marks English maths result pass ID 1002 name Jack marks result fail. ID 1003 name James. Is there some spelling mistake anywhere? Marks English 22, maths 25, result pass. It says error. How can that be? That means there is some error in this. Who can hunt for the error? Tell me what is the error in this? What is the error which we are facing? db dot student dot insert many. Okay, id 1001, name John, inverted comma, marks English 35, comma, maths 38, result pass. Okay, curly braces close, uh, comma, id 1002, name Jack, marks English 15, maths 18, comma, uh, result fail. Okay, id 1003. um Let me do one thing. Let me delete this whole lot of things. Let me delete this for this third person. Let's see. So this would be curly brace, square, and comma. Result fail. Okay. Now let me try this. Yeah, it is done. It's done. Okay. Now this wanted the same thing. Fine. Just wanted to check this collection. Now say you want to update this document. Say I want to say that do you need some time to write this? Yeah. Tell me if you're writing it. I can wait for maybe a minute or two for you to write this. Tell me if you want. I want me to wait. Don't want me to wait. No,
Yes,
if you
sir.
remain, yeah, if you remain silent, how will I know what do you want? And please tell me once you're done.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. Now go up and see how did you create student, and the second one. What did we create? A collection. One is the student collection, and the other is what is the name? Person, student and person. So what we will do, we will create one more collection, say by the name of employee detail. Basically, why I'm creating this employee detail, I want to show you how do you work with arrays, and this time we will work with employee detail. So what I'll do, I'll once again, where is it? Yeah, I would say db dot create collection. Let me say, do we say employee or employee details? Let me say employee details. It has created. Now what I will do, we know how do we query this array. That is just, I say db dot collection dot find, it is going to query that array. We will first see how do we match an array. To match an array, first what I need to do, let me enter some employee details in this collection of employee details. Let me enter some record. So we will create some, basically not entering some record means I want to create some kind of a database for this employee detail, for which if I want to create a database, not enter records, create a database, I'll say db dot uh, employee details, employee details, yeah, dot insert many. This I'm in creating a database in this. So I would say my square braces, then I would say my first name, which let me say is I want somebody by the name of John, and then I would say the projects handled by John, let it be uh, a MongoDB, and let me say he has even handled Hadoop, and let me say he is even handled Spark. So I take this collection of all these things, close my square bracket, comma, and then I say maybe the scores for MongoDB, Hadoop, and Spark. I'll say scores secured maybe out. It's no importance of this database. I just want to fill up the database what we are creating. I'll say 25, 28, comma 29. These are the three records I create, close my curly braces. The next one I would say, once again, open my curly brace. I would say the second name which I want to enter, let me say is James. And friend James has done some projects which I would say the projects which he has done are, maybe we say he has done Cassandra. He has done Cassandra, and he has done only Spark, Cassandra and Spark. This person only two. The first person, John, has done three projects: MongoDB, Hadoop, and Spark. And the second person has just done Cassandra and Spark. I close the thing square bracket, and then I write my scores. What this person has spelling. Course what this person has got. Let me say this person has got scores of three scores I'll give. Although he has done two courses, I'll say three scores: 26, 24, 23. Close my square bracket, close my curly bracket. So this what I have done. I have done it for James, sorry, John and James. Now one more last name I'll add. Let me say the next name I want to add is name. Let me add Smith. I'll say Smith, comma, and the projects which Smith has handled. Projects which Smith has handled is, let me say, Hadoop, and let me say MongoDB. MongoDB, Hadoop, and MongoDB. And the scores which this person has got, maybe I say some scores like 22, 28, and 26. Then close my square bracket, close my curly bracket, close my regular bracket. So this should be able to create, close my square bracket, close my curly bracket, close my once again there's a mistake. There is a mistake in this. Once again, there's a mistake. The brackets are wrong what we have entered. Here, oh, what happened? It will be 20 square bracket, then I'll have curly bracket, then I'll have square bracket, then I'll have a regular bracket. Let me see if the brackets are correct. Yes, done. I have created a database. See, whenever you create and if it is successful, it comes as true. And these are the three object IDs given to these three people. That is John, James, and Smith. This is acknowledged and true. That means it is correct what we have done. You need to be careful when you create this. Now, to select all documents, I'll say where the project value is an array with exactly, let me say, two elements. Say I want to select all documents where the project value is an array with exactly two elements, and let these two elements be Hadoop and MongoDB. In the same order, Hadoop and MongoDB. How will you select these details from this project? Can somebody tell me, please? First, you please write this down. I shall wait for you, and after you write it down, please try answering what I want. This time I will upload an assignment for you which you will need to submit by this Sunday evening, which will be on MongoDB. So I will expect you, after you do it, to take a screenshot of whatever output you have got and put it in the window over there, so I'm able to see your screenshot. And no reasons of not submitting on time. Whatever reason you may have, please submit it before time. Like what I said, the results when I see is miserable. There are many of you who have got 1 and 2 percentage. That is bad, very bad. So kindly you will have to pull up. Definitely we'll give you ample opportunities so that all of you reach 100%. Anybody writing this? Tell me please, anybody writing or just having a look at this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please write it and let me know.
Continue, sir. Done.
Done. Okay. See, I said to select all documents, what you need to do now, you need to select all documents where the project value is nothing but an array with exactly two elements, Hadoop and MongoDB, in the same order. What will be the syntax of the command? It is pure logical. It is pure logical. I'm just putting it into words. I said we need to select all documents where the project value is an array with exactly two elements, Hadoop and MongoDB. We know that the first one, where John, he has got three projects, MongoDB, Hadoop, Spark. James has done two, and my square brackets. Then I should have my curly brackets and my regular brackets. So it tells me it is only John and Smith who have got this. I've got it in front of you. Not John and Smith, it is only Smith who has got Hadoop and MongoDB, nobody else. Wonderful. It has helped me find out what I want. Now, if you want to query an array for an element, say I want to query an array just for a single element. That is, maybe I say I want to query all documents of as part of this project where projects in the array that contain the string MongoDB as one of its element. So what should I be doing? Again, I have to use find. But how do I use find is little different. See, what are we going to do now? We are going to query an array for an element, a single element. Say I want to query all documents where project is an array that contains the string MongoDB as one of its element, for which I need to write db um, uh, dot employee details dot db dot employee details dot find curly brackets. I'll say projects as MongoDB 30. So I'll say projects as MongoDB and close my inverted comma, then curly brackets and regular brackets. So once I execute this, this says it is only John and Smith have got projects as MongoDB. Kindly you may write it down, and when you write it down, rather than doing it like a 100-meter race, take few seconds or half a minute extra, because what I expect is you should it should add value to what you're doing. It's not just copying what I'm writing. Take that little bit of extra time for you to understand and try writing it yourself. Form up the logic. For the logic you want, you can have a look at the screen, form up the logic and try writing it yourself. It will add immense value to you because you will never forget it. Because if at all you have to just copy it, I can make do the recording and send it to you. You can sit at the comfort of your bed and you can listen to this like a cricket commentary. That will not add value. Friends, all these are being done. It's a wonderful initiative of your principal and your HOD in doing this. Please make full use of it. Rather than you running around and wasting money from your pocket to learn this, exactly the same thing. What is taught in an industry is being taught to you. So why don't you people make maximum use of it? Please let me know once you have done. Have you done it?
So,
Yeah, okay. Now, what you need to do, just slightly roll up the three entries which we have made to this. The first is John, the second is James, and the third is Smith. In this one, which I would just highlight it. Now, in this, please see John has got scores 25, 28, 29. James has got scores 26, 24, and 23. And Smith has scores 22, 28, and 26. Say now you want to run some query, some particular query. Say you have to query all documents. See, although we have three documents as part of this collection, it can be 3 or 300 million. It makes no difference. It will query at the same speed and the same efficiency. Now, say we want to query all documents where the score field is an array that contains at least one element whose value is greater than 26. What will you do? I said you have to query all the documents of this collection where the score field for the, at the where the score field is an array that contains at least one element where whose value is greater than 26. Please tell me what logic will you use? I said the score field should have at least one element with the value of which is greater than 26. So I'll use the greater than sign, but instead of using the greater than symbol, I'll express it in words. So what I will do, I'll say db dot employee details dot find. Open my bracket, open my curly brace. I'll say scores colon again curly brackets. I'll use the dollar sign greater than I'll write it as gt 26. This means greater than 26. So curly bracket and regular bracket. Now when I execute, it tells me it is John and Smith. John and Smith have at least one element which are greater than 26. Why is it that it didn't give the name of our third friend Smith? John and Smith is there. Sorry, why didn't it give us the name of James? Because the thing of James is 26, 24, 23. There's nothing greater than 26. It has got equal to 26. That is why it skipped our friend James. It's only we have got John and Smith. So kindly you may write this and let us know. Please write this. Let me know if you have done.
So,
Okay. Now what we will do, we will let's do on some compound filter condition. That is, we will query an array with compound filter conditions on the array element. That is, what are we doing? Once again, we will query an array with compound filter conditions on the array elements. So let's say, let's create a filter condition on an array where the score of is greater than 20 but less than 24. I only want the scores which are greater than 20 and less than 24 to be displayed. So for which, what should I be doing? You should in fact start writing. You should tell me, don't write, we will do it ourselves. That will be wonderful. So I'll say db dot employee details dot find, open my bracket, open curly bracket. I say scores colon. Once again, I use curly brace. I would say dollar greater than, what is my value? My greater than 20. And I want less than. So dollar LT. LT is less than. GT is greater than. LT is less than. Less than, let me say 24. I close my curly braces, close my curly braces, close my regular brace. So once I execute this, says it is only James and Smith who have scores greater than 20 and less than 24.
yes, sir.
Okay. Now what we will do, we will see another one more operator of this find operator, which is called LE match. ELEMATCH. This LE match operator allows you to specify multiple conditions on the array element, such that at least one array element should satisfy all of the specified conditions. That is, I said, this LE match, which we will be seeing right now, allows you to specify multiple conditions on the array elements such that at least one array element should satisfy all of the specified condition. So how do I use this? That is, this operator should specify multiple conditions on the array element such that at least one array element should satisfy all of the specified condition, for which the syntax would be db dot employee, employee details employee details dot find, employee details dot find, open my bracket, open curly bracket. I'll say scores, and again I open my curly bracket. I would say dollar uh, LM. This is element match. Elim matches element match colon. I would again use a curly bracket. I would say the multiple conditions as dollar the scores greater than 23 and uh, dollar less than 27. Now I close my curly bracket, curly bracket, and my regular bracket. Oh, there is some error in this. LT 27. Oh no, I'm sorry, I forgot the colon. So LT colon 27. So come out of this, and when I execute it, it tells me all of them, John, James, and Smith, all three of them satisfy this condition. One small error, it is going to throw out, you miss out one small thing, it's not going to listen to you. And apart from you, this time let's have somebody else also responding back, say that you're done. Have you done it? Tell me if you're done. Done? Okay, wonderful. What we will do now, we will now query an array element by index position. Let's see how do you query an array element by index position. For this, we will use the dot notation. And now let's write a small little query to select all documents where the third element in the score array is greater than 26. See, we have got three elements in the score. Our friend John has got three scores: 25, 28, 29. James has got three scores: 26, 24, 23. And Smith has got three scores: 22, 28, and 26. I want we ask you to write a code to select all documents where the third element in the score array is greater than 26. So looking at this, since it's a small database, greater than 26, we only have of John, because for Smith it is equal to 26, the third element. So let's write a query. How do we write a query? We will say db dot employee details dot find. I'll use my curly braces. I would say my scores dot 2. I use this dot notation here. Close my curly braces, colon. Again, my curly braces, I would use greater than 26. This was our condition. So again, my curly braces, and regular braces. So it returns me only the name of John because his third element is greater than 26. Kindly do this.
So,
Done. Okay, fine. Now what we will do, we will see on this, because it's good that I get the small little break in between. At least I can think over what do we do next. Next, what we will do is we'll do on the size operator. You can use the size operator, query an array by number of elements. That is, if I want to query an array by the number of elements, I'll use the size operator. So what we will do, we will write a query to select all documents where the projects array has two elements. So, see, the project array has two elements. Looking at this data set, we know John has got three elements in the project, James has got two, and Smith has got two elements. So if I want to write a query to select all documents in the project array, which has got, let me say, which has got three elements, since there's only one person who's got three elements, that is John. See, he's got three elements: MongoDB, Hadoop, and Spark. So we will see how do we write this query. We will write db dot employee details dot find bracket and my curly braces. I would say my projects, project or projects. Okay, projects. I would say inverted comma close colon, and then I use a curly brace, then dollar, and I say my size is, let me say, 3. So then I close my curly and regular brackets. So it should give me only one, that is John. Yes, it has given me only John. This is using the size operator. Please understand, this thing what you're learning now, MongoDB, it is the state of art database in today's industry. 100% of, close to 100% of all big companies, they rely on cloud database, not any physical server or any physical database, all cloud database. And the number one cloud database is MongoDB as on today. You should be thankful to your HOD that we are having this session, so that where you get to learn on how do we do this, not the theory part, the hardcore practical part of this. Let me know please after you have done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we will see what is this push operator. See, this push operator you can use to add a value to an array. Say I want to add to this existing array where I have got John, James and Smith. I want to say the James location is US, although there is no location here. I want to add one more field to this location and I want to say it is US, for which I have to use the push operator. I'm pushing this value into this database, for which I'll say db dot employee details dot update. I will say update the name, that is, how did I write James here? J capital. Okay, I would say James, close my inverted comma, close my curly brackets. Now what I will do, I'll use the push operator. No, there is a mistake in this. Now again I need to open my curly brackets, I need to use dollar sign and then write push. And write push, and what do I need to push? I need to push, say, let me say location, and this location, let me say, for James is USA. So I close this, I close my curly bracket and my regular bracket. Now once I do this, it says it is executed. But even I don't believe it is executed. Let's query and check the result. That is, how do I query this database or data set and check the result? I'll say db dot employee details dot find. I'll say find where the name is uh, James. I'll close my curly bracket, close my regular bracket. This is querying for the name James. This says, please see this in the end. Look, in the end, location US has got added up. This was not there earlier. Now we added up this location US. We have pushed this value into this. Do this and please let me know. Come here fast. Done. Okay. Now, see, you can also append multiple values to an array. If you want to append multiple values to an array, you use the each operator. So we will see how do we use this each operator. Whether it can be multiple values, it can be 2, it can be 200, it can be 2000, it can be 2 lakhs, whatever. Maybe say you're working in an organization, it has got a data set of some 10 million entries. You just want to update 2 entries in that, and it's a cloud based database. There's nothing other than MongoDB which you can use. So how do we use it? Let's see. That is appending multiple values to an array. I'll say db dot employee details dot update, and I want to update, say, the name as, let me say, Smith, inverted comma, close my curly bracket. And what I will do to the same thing, I will push in multiple values. That is push colon, again curly braces, I would say location, colon, again curly brace, and again a dollar sign. I will use this each operator, each colon, and square brackets. I will say US, USA, and let me say even United Kingdom. And now I close my square bracket, close my curly bracket, curly bracket, curly bracket, and my regular bracket. This has inserted this. In fact, you can check this. That is, since we have inserted all these things for this friend Smith, we can see that is in the same way. db dot employee, oh sorry, it's not caps, it is db dot employee details dot find. I'll say find where this name is Smith, where I'll say the name is Smith, and close my curly bracket, close my regular bracket. This will give me all the details of Smith.
Yes, sir.
Done. Okay, now we will see another one more wonderful operator called add to set. This operator, you use this operator to add a value to an array, and this add to set operator adds a value to an array only if a value is not present. But if a value is present, it does not do anything. Once again, we will see on this to an array, and this adds a value to an array only if a value is not present. If a value is present, it does not do anything. Now what we will do, we will add hobbies to the employee details collection, which we have got, where you got these three names. So we will add hobbies to this. Let me say the hobbies are drawing and dancing. So what, how do I need to do? I'll say db dot employee details dot update, and what do I need to update? I'll say my name, which is James, and close my curly bracket, separate by comma, again my bracket. I'll use this operator add to set. So this has to be prefixed with dollar. I'll say add to set, and a colon, and I will say what is that I want to add to the set. I want to add hobbies. And what are the hobbies I want to add? I want to add drawing, comma, dancing, to add to this set. So I close the square bracket, close my curly bracket, close once again my curly bracket, and then my regular bracket. So this has added this value. You can even check the result and see in exactly the same way how we had done earlier. I'll say db dot employee details dot find. I want to find the person by the, so I'll say James. Close. I'll close my curly bracket, close my regular bracket. It gives me all the details. See, drawing and dancing has got added up. See, it's here. Oh, sorry, the last part of this. It's got added up here. Drawing and dancing. So this is how you add this add to use this add to set operator.
Yes, sir.
And now we will see on the next operator, which is the pop operator, pop, pop operator. See, you can use this pop operator to remove the first or last element of an array. If you want to remove the first or the last element of an array, you use the pop operator. Say now we want to remove the first element in the scores array. The first element, we have got three scores for all these three people. I want to remove the first element in the scores array, for which I'll be writing the code db dot employee details dot update, which I would say my name, colon, and name, let me say James, close my curly bracket, a comma, and now I use my pop operator. So prefix it with a dollar sign. I use my pop and colon, and then I use a curly braces. I say scores, which is -1, because I want to remove the first element in the scores array. So I say pop scores is -1, then I close my curly bracket, once again curly bracket, then regular bracket. So what it has done, it has knocked off the first score. Let's check to, or just query the results and see if it has done it or not. So what I'll be doing, db dot employee details dot find, and here I would say my name as James, and close my curly bracket, close my regular bracket. This will give me complete thing. Please see the scores. When you see the scores here of James, the first one has got thrown out, knocked off. There are only last two elements in the score. Done. Okay. Now we will see, since we are seeing how to knock off the first element in the score, we will see how do we remove the last element in the score array. Maybe the score, there are 100, 200 scores. You have seen how to remove the first element. Now we will even see how do we remove the last element in the score array, for which you need to write db dot employee details dot update, my curly brackets, my name, which will be, say for James, we'll do this. Name James. I want to remove the last element in the score. So curly bracket. Then I once again I use this pop. So dollar pop uh, colon, and I would say my course which I want to remove the last one. So just +1 or 1 I give, and curly bracket and regular bracket. It will knock off the last element in the score. Let's query the array and see if it has really done it. So I'll say db dot employee details dot find, and what do I need to find? I need to find the name which is James. So I'll close my curly bracket, close my regular bracket. See, the last element in the score. We had two elements here, 24, 23. Out of that, the last element 23 is thrown out. It has knocked it out. This is how do you knock off all these things one by one, whichever you want.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what we will see, still more wonderful operation we'll see. We will see how do you query an array of embedded documents. That is, we will see on how do you query an array of embedded documents. That is, the command which you will use is db.collection.find, but in a slightly different way. The first in this we will see in this family of querying or document of embedded arrays, we will see to query for a document nested inside an array. So you have a document which is inside an array. If I want to query that, how will I do? So the first thing, since we have already created a collection by the name of student, I'll say use student because we have been using employee details. It says it has switched over to the database student. Now in this student, I'll insert some marks because till now we are doing employee details. So I wanted to change over to student. So I used ran this command use student. It has switched over to the database of use student. I will say db dot student marks dot insert many. I want to insert many marks. What many marks? I'll say this, my square bracket, my curly bracket, and the first one I'll say name. Let the name be uh, John. The first name I induce is John. I say marks, colon, square bracket, curly bracket. I say my class, and the class of John is, let me say, the second standard. John is in second standard. No, double inverted commas. Double inverted comma, second, again double inverted comma, and let me say the total of friend John is 489. So I put a curly braces, go to my next one. The next one, let me insert the first person is John. He is in class 2, he has got 489. Then let me say in class, which is nothing but his class 3, third standard, he has John has got a, total of 490 marks. So this I have put for John third, second, and the third standard. So I'll close my curly brace, close my square bracket, close my curly brace again. Now the next name I introduce. Let me know. The next name, which will be name. The next name will be, let me say, James. James is my next name, and I'll say James has got marks, which is the square bracket, curly bracket in class. James has got. I'll only give his. See, John, we are going second and third class, and James I'll give third and fourth class. So I'll say James in um, third class or third standard. James has got a total of 469, and I close my curly bracket. Again I open a curly bracket, which I'll say in class fourth. James has got class I have told as fourth, and the total James has got here is, let me say, 450. So now I close my square bracket, close my curly bracket. So let's say only these two documents I want to enter. I don't want to write anything more. So I have closed my curly bracket, square bracket, curly bracket, and I need to close my regular bracket. So so there is something missing in the, some brackets are missing. We started off with regular square, so it should be square and regular. So square and regular. No, there's a mistake in this. One bracket is extra. This should be square and regular. Yeah, fine. It has done. I've created a small little collection or an array I've created. Now the command which we will be using to see, like, the common class in both John is second and third, James is third and fourth. Since the common class is third, let's write a command to select all documents in this array field that matches some specified document. Let me say somebody who has got in class 3 490 marks. I want to query. So to run this query, what will I do? I'll say db dot student marks dot find, which I would say is marks, which would be colon, and once again my curly braces. I will say let the class be let it be third, and I want to query when my total, let the total be 490. So this is the condition I specify: curly braces and regular brace. So this tells it is only John who has got in this, in third 490. The complete data set of John it retrieves. This is how you write where you want to execute a query for a document which is nested in an array. This is your querying for a document which is nested in an array. Okay.
Done, sir.
Done. Okay, wonderful. Now let's write an array index to query for a field in an embedded document. That is, we will write an array index to query for a field in an embedded document. That is, we'll write a command that selects all documents in the marks array where the first element of the document contains the field class and which has some value which we specify. Let's say it has got where the class is second. So we know, looking at this the second standard means it has to tell me it is John. No problem. We have only two elements or two documents in this array. You will have in an organization millions of documents where on a second by second basis it will be input. So you run this query, what we are going to write, it will comfortably be able to execute in absolutely no time. The same speed at which you get results here, irrespective of whatever size, you will get the query that fast. So we will write an array, we'll write a command that selects all documents in the marks array where the first element of the document contains the field class which has value to some class, let me say to second standard. So for this I'll be writing db dot student marks dot find bracket, my curly bracket, then in single inverted comma I say marks dot um, marks dot uh, marks dot o dot class, close my inverted comma, colon, and now I need for second standard. So close my inverted comma, close my curly braces, close my regular brackets. This executes this. So in order to find what you want, we will see it has executed this command. We have told db.student.this marks on this thing. Now you can even query the data set and see it would have done this thing. We will not run the query. Don't worry. Not required. Enough of running this query. Now, the next what you can kindly write this.
Sir.
Okay. Now, in this, considering the same data set, we will restrict the fields returned from a query. Say I want to restrict the fields to return from a query, for which I'll use the syntax db.collection.find. Let's see how does this work. Say I want to return the specified fields and the ID field only from a query. Say I say what you can do, you can project the required fields by setting the field value to 1 in the projection document, which will help you return only the fields which you want in your query. An example is, we say db dot student details dot find bracket open my curly bracket, and I say name. Let me say my name is John, and close my curly bracket, and I'll once again open my curly bracket. I'll say marks of this person is say 1, and result, I'll also say it as 1. Now close my curly bracket, close my regular bracket. When I execute it, nothing, because there is nobody by this marks as 1. You specify what mark. If you input basically some more fields in this, where you input the marks of the person, fine, it will display that marks whatever you want. Since there's nobody, that's why you're not getting any result. It's not returning any result. What we, if you have written this, kindly give me 5-10 minutes for me to take your attendance. After that, we will return back to this. I'll call out your roll numbers. Please acknowledge. Uh,
Yes, sir.
4963956. Are you present? 4963956. No. 733008. 733054. 733056.
Present, sir.
Present. Okay. 733075. 733076. 733084. 733095. 737010. 737020. 737023. 737024.
2 3
7
present.
23%. अरे
Yes, sir.
ब्रदर टेल जल्दी यार. 777330001.
Sir.
Okay. So 7733005. 7733007. 7733008. 7733009. 77330. Okay, 9 is absent. 7733010. 7733012. 7733013. 7733014. 7733016. 7733017. 7733019. 7733020. 7733021. 7733022. 7733023. 7733027. 7733028.
Present, sir.
Yeah. 7733030.
Present, sir.
7733031. 7733033. 7733035. 7733037. 7733038. 7733039. 7733041. 7733 042, 7733 044, 7733 053, 7733 054, 7733 056.
Present, sir. 56.
Oh, yeah, 7733 057, 7733 058, 7733 059, 7733 062, 7733 070, 7733 074, 7733 077, 7733 080, 7733 085, 7733 086, 7733 7737 001, 7737 004, 7737 008, 7737 009, 7737 013, 7737 014, 7737 015, 7737 016, 7737 017, 7737 019, 7737 020, 7737 021, 7737 022, 7737 024, 7737 025, 7737 027, 7737 028, 7737 029, 7737 031, 31 absent, 7737 033, 7737 034, 7737 039, 7737 040, 40 absent, 7737 042, 7737 044, 7737 046, 7737 052, 7737 053, 733 002, 733 003, 733 004, 733 007, 733 008.
733007 present, sir.
Okay, fine. 733 011, 733 012, 733 013, 733 014, 714 is absent, 733 021, 733 024.
Sir, 733021 present.
Okay. 733 025, 733 029, 733 031, 733 034, 733 035, 733 035, 733 036, 733 037, 733 038, 733 045, 733 047, 733 056.
Present, sir.
Okay, 733 057, 733 0661, 733 063. Wait, 733 064, 733 065, 733 066, 733 067, 733 068, 733 069, 733 071, 733 072, 733 073, 733 074, 733 075, 733 080, 080 absent. 733081. 733083. 733008. 733094. 733104. 733106. 733114. 733114 is absent. 733115. 733301. 733302. 733303. 733304. 733304 absent. Syed Ahad. Okay. M.A. Atif. Mohammad Azhar. Asra Amreen.
Present, sir.
Okay. Mirza Asif Beg. Safi Faruqi. Syed Musa bin Hafiz. Riyan Hashmi. SD Inayat. Nihal Khan. Syed Madani. Abdul Mubin. Syed Mateen. Abdul Mujahid.
Present, sir.
Present. Okay. Syed Noman. Mohammad Kadir. Syed Shabazz. Sana Sultana. Rutherford Thompson. Saifuddin. Mohammad Zainuddin. Abdul Basir. Syed Mutalib Ahmad. Abu Ansari. Mudassir Muhammad. Faiz Qadri. Sheikh Shoaib. And the last name, Syed Shah Zoeb. Fine, we have marked all your things.
Excuse me, sir. Sorry to interrupt you. Sir,
Yeah,
can
tell
you
me.
check my number?
What's your
Actually, I
Seven
think
double three zero three four.
733034. You have been marked absent.
sir 733021.
21. Wait.
Yeah.
21.
Sir,
Yeah, you're
actually,
present. You're
sir,
present.
I'm of CSE. I'm of CSE, sir.
Now, whatever you are, that makes no difference. Okay,
Sir,
3, 4, 2, 2, 1. I marked you present. Chalo, let's come back to where we had dropped off. We were seeing on this concept of where we wanted to where we wanted to work on specified fields. Now we will see if you want to exclude more than one field, what will be the syntax. If I want to exclude more than one field, so for which I'll have to specify the field ID. That is, I'll have to say db dot students student details dot find my curly bracket. I'll say name, and let me say my name is John. Close my inverted comma, close my curly bracket, comma, and again open my curly bracket. I'll say my result. Result, let me say is 0, and separated by comma I specify my id also, let me say 0. Close my curly bracket, close my regular bracket. Since there is nobody by this detail, you won't get any output. Nobody by id 0 and result 0, no problem. But the syntax, this is 100% correct. This syntax is 100% correct. Fine, till here please do it. After that, let's do few more commands before we wrap up for the day. Tomorrow's the credential, it will be the same time what we had today. That is, it will be from 2 to 3:30. 2 to 3:30 or 3 to 4:30. I think it was from 2 to 3:30. I'm sorry, 2 to 3:30. Tomorrow we'll be having the session. The credentials are the same as that of today. Kindly join it. We will continue with it. But few more minutes. Let's do this. Have you finished this till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We will see how to query null or missing fields. To query null or missing values, you use the same thing, db.collection.find. But how do we specify? There are few conditions in this. The first is we will see on how do we specify the equality filter. Here, the name null query matches the document that either contains the name field with a value of null or do not contain the name field. That is what we will do. Let me run this name as null. It will match this document that, and it will see whether it contains the name field with a value or of null or do not contain the name field. I'll just say db dot sample dot find my curly brackets, and I'll say name as null. Name as null, my curly bracket, my regular bracket. I don't get because we have not created anything by the name of null. Sorry, sample. Unless we create a data a collection by the name of sample, it is not going to give me anything. Not an issue. We will continue with what we were doing. Have you done this till here? You can also use this MongoDB on Node.js. Have you had a course anytime on Node.js? Node JavaScript?
No, sir.
Okay. Now please tell me, what do you understand by normalized data model? It is a term which is this normalization is a term which is used in all programming languages. What do you understand by any normalized data model? Anybody? Tell me. See, this normalized data models describe relationships using references. That is, any relationship using reference is described. It is a normalized data model. And normalized data models can be best used in some particular circumstances. And these circumstances are: the first, when embedding data model results in duplication of data. And the second is to represent complex many to many relationship. And the third, to model large hierarchical data sets. That is, we said this normalized data models can be best used in some circumstances. The first circumstances, when embedding data model results in duplication of data. And the second is to represent complex many to many relationship. And the third, to model large hierarchical data sets. Please understand that normalized data models do not provide good read performance. So what we will do, we will build a data model and see the relationship between documents. The first, we will start off with the data model using an embedded document. We will see a data model using an embedded document. So what we need to do, we need to create a document and see a one-to-one relation. I hope you know the relationship. This you must have learned it during your school days. One-to-one, one-to-many, many-to-one, and many-to-many relationship. We will first start off with
Yes,
this
sir.
one-to-one relationship. And you also know if what is one to one, what is one to many, what is many to many, and all these four kinds of what are these relationships, you very well know it. So we will start off with say with this one to one relationship. Consider that you have a data model that maps, say, a publisher and a book relationship. It has got some here. So you will have the title, you will have the author, you will have the published date, pages, language, and even the publisher. And what here the publisher document is embedded inside the book document, which leads to repetition of the publisher data model. And in this scenario, we can document references to avoid repetition of data. And in document references, the growth of relationship determines where to store the reference. And if the number of books per publisher is small, then you can store the book reference inside the publisher document. You can definitely store the book reference inside the publisher document. And for this, we will see on how do you query the document reference. Consider that you have got a collection by the name of publisher. How do you create a collection by the name of publisher? Who can tell me? We have done so many times. Tell me. Somebody please speak out. Tell me, how do I create, say I want to create a collection by the name of publisher. Oh, how come you've gone blank so fast? Didn't we do today at the beginning? When we started off the session, after we started all these things, what did we do? We created two collection. One by the name of student, one by employee collection, employee salary or whatever, and one by the name of student. Then how come you have forgotten? db dot see this. db dot create collection, and within bracket in double inverted comma what kind of collection. So the same thing we will do, create one more collection maybe by the name of publisher. So I will say db dot create collection, and what collection do I want? I want something by the name of publisher. So this will create a collection by the name of publisher. In this publisher, let me add some details. So what I'll do, I'll add the publisher details in this. So I'll say db dot publisher dot insert. Okay, before we do this, has anybody got any doubts on whatever we have done till now? Whatever we have done, quite a lot of commands today. Has anybody got any doubts till this, till whatever we have done?
No.
You cannot say no. I won't say no nor yes. So one of you, let me just query, because all this last 1.5 hours I have been speaking. So let me give you also an opportunity to speak. Salman, can you tell me what do you mean by what is that we have been doing today? The whole of this 1.5 hours, what did we do? Tell me. Salman Khan. Sai, can you tell me what is that we did the whole day today? Tell me, Saida. You are a very positive student. Tell me, what did we do today the whole day? And you've been silent all throughout. Why? We have had only Fatim speaking out the whole day, and rest nobody has been speaking out. Tell me, Saida, what did you understand of what we did today? You are one among those two people who are working on a laptop. Rest all are on mobile. No issues. Fine, we will do one thing. We will stop with this over here, for the reason that it is already we have hit the deadline over here. We will stop this, and I'll definitely, since this is being recorded, give me some time, maybe an hour or two, for this to get converted into an mp4 file. I'll upload this mp4 file on your, or give you that link on your canvas, and give you time till tomorrow about 12 o'clock in the afternoon. Kindly download it, because your HOD says it's very essential that you download it. Please download it, and you, wherever you want, you can upload it. That's not a problem. And tomorrow, once again, I think it is at 2 o'clock tomorrow. So please have a look at your canvas. 2 or 3, I'm not sure. There are so many meetings and sessions going on. So kindly have a look at whatever that credential was for today. The same time it holds good tomorrow. Okay. So what I would be telling you is good night. Have a wonderful day. We will catch up tomorrow. Thank you.